For demonstration, we have connected our 440 Hz tuning fork sensor. In the mathematic, we add a filter, low pass with 100 Hz. An additional channel is created. You can see the result in real time. Low frequencies will pass through, and the 440 Hz ringing will be damped. Now imagine a colleague of yours opens the data file, but he actually needs a high-pass filter. Simply go to the mathematics and change it. Here you can already see the new filter curve. Move back to review, the graph is set to offline, do the recalculation, and here we go.